Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. Yes, it's Friday again. As you can see, it's Friday the 24th of June 2022. We're to celebrate all the children in nursery, reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB who've won a golden ticket this week. So well done to all of you. We're going to start this morning in nursery. So have a look at nursery, these two children. This child is kind. She always works hard and loves explaining her knowledge and hypothesising what may happen next. Hypothesising, no less. That's right, it's coming out with all the amazing words there, hey? And this child is a great friend. She loves to read and joins in with the learning wholeheartedly. Amazing nursery children. Our golden tickets go to... Here she is. Look, Athea and Frida. Look at that. Look at Athea, big smile on her face. Frida, look. Fantastic. Really, really well done, both of you. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your golden tickets home with you today. And I'm loving, look at that, maths and the artwork there. And then Frida playing with her friends. Look, little Charlie there. Well done to both of you. Enjoy taking this home with you today. I'm really proud of you. Well done. In reception, and Miss McTavish says this person has had a fantastic week and has joined in beautifully with all our activities and was a superstar during her transition to year 1. All the children have gone to their new teachers this week and have a whale of a time. She's tried hot dinner for the first time this week and been chatting with everybody lots. She really has grown in confidence. It's amazing. Well done and keep up the great work. Indeed, golden ticket goes to Lily Rose. Look at that smile. You should be smiling now, Lily. You've won the golden ticket. I know your brothers will be really, really proud of you. I love this photo. It's my favourite photo. So really, really well done. And just keep up all that amazing thing, Lily Rose. You absolute superstar. Well done. Enjoy taking this home with you today. You superstar. On to Miss Ruffle says, this child has worked so hard since the beginning of the year, particularly on his phonics. Amazing. He is beautifully behaved in school and always is kind and shares with his friends and willing to help, sharing the load. That's all Mr. Allen keeps asking. But beautifully behaved and really sharing and kind. Golden ticket goes to, there he is, Aiden. Look at that. Well done, Aiden. You absolute superstar. You really, really do deserve this. I know your sister's going to be very, very proud of you. But just keep up that beautiful behaviour. Well done. Superstar. On to year 1, and Miss Marshall says this child has been bright and bubbly the last few weeks. They put their hand up more and are sharing lots of ideas with us, which is fantastic. Really growing in confidence at the end of year 1, ready for year 2. Our golden ticket goes none other than, here he is, Jensen. Look at that. Yes, come on, Jensen. Big smile on your face now. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer as well. So really, really well done. Keep building in that confidence and believing in yourself. And enjoy taking this home with you today, you superstar. Well done. Mr. Ackerman says this child has been working hard recently and they read regularly at home. This child has become more confident as the year has gone on. We've just said about the confidence, and they're building in confidence. So these year 1s are really doing it. And they now enjoy coming to the front to share. So they are ready for year 2. Our golden ticket goes to, she is Esme. Look at Esme. I want to get better at handwriting. Look at that beautiful handwriting anyway. Esme, that is amazing. I know Olivia's going to be really proud of you. So well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You superstar. Look at that big smile. Well done. On to year 2. And Miss Begum says, this child never gives up. They give every task they do, they're 100% and have a positive attitude to challenge. They certainly do. All the way through school. They always share the load and help others. And that's why Mr. Allen is incredibly grateful for everything they do. So thank you. Golden ticket goes to Scarlett. Look at that. Scarlett Pownell. Look at you. You absolutely that amazing work. Hey, about the Tudors, your wonderful newspaper there. Well done, Scarlett. Really, really proud of you. Congratulations. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer as well. And thank you for being so helpful. You superstar. Thank you. On to Miss Hall says, this child has worked so hard this week in maths and has done lots of additional jobs with Miss Hall. Again, sharing the load and helping out. Well done to none other than Suleiman. There he is. Look at that big smile. Well done, Suleiman, you superstar. Thank you so much. You're sitting beautifully as well and helping out. Thank you so much. Keep it up. Enjoy taking this home with you today. You absolute superstar. Well done. And finally, in the SRB, Mr. Hudman said, this child loves to get involved with everything at the SRB, and they do so with a smile on their face. They really do. They are friendly to everyone and love to help out. They've also been reading at home and impressing people at home with their effort. Just renewed effort. Golden ticket goes none other than, here he is, Harry. Look at Harry. Look at that smile. Well done, Harry. Keep it up, buddy. enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you, and really, really well deserved. And keep up with that effort. Keep working as hard as you possibly can, because we know now you can do it. So really, really well done. And finally, it's a massive wow from Mr. Allen. What a week it has been. Yes, it's been really, really hot, but you have all worked feverishly throughout, keeping that temperature up, that work gauge. So really well done from everyone. If it wasn't you this week, don't worry. It could be you next week. Just copy these children. You know who they are now. You've seen them. So please, just have another fantastic week next week. And thank you for being so amazing this week, because it has been brilliant. All of you have a wonderful, safe weekend. And until Monday, we will see you all then. Bye-bye now.